Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will learn how to set up WooCommerce and how to configure WooCommerce in your WordPress websites. If you are beginner or mid-level, this video is very helpful for you. So let's get started. Okay, we can log in our WordPress admin dashboard if you want to know this already. So first of all, we can add a theme to the store. Click on appearance, click on add theme, search extra. This extra theme already show here. Click on install, click on active. This theme are installed successfully. And now click on theme sections, and there are 4 themes. These are conflict our website speed issues. That's why I can remove another theme, delete. One theme is here because of backup purpose. Okay, our theme is activated. Now we can go to plugin and check mark all, delete this plugin, click on add plugin, search WooCommerce, searching the plugin directory, click on install now, installing in progress. Click on activate button. After activated, this interface are showing. Initially we can skip our guide and select our region. You can select your desired region. I can select USA, United States, California, United States. Go to my store. Yeah, our WooCommerce store is showing here. Our WooCommerce plugin is successfully installed and activated. So we can buy, we can sell a product via website. That's why we can install and activate configure WooCommerce. So first of all, I can add a one product for purpose, just simple products. Click on add products, click a physical product. Our product name is, this is the tutorial. Product name is denim t-shirt for men. Search the product description. Yes, I can copy the product's description, denim shirt. You can copy the product title. product description, copy this product description and paste this description. You can type your product description as per your requirement. You can here type here. I can see you only for educational purpose, not professional. You can select product that is simple product. Regular price is 44.99 and sale price is 33.90 USD. Inventory, this is a product SKU, is product identification number. Product is track stock. If you want track your product stock quantity, you can click on this or unclick this box. Only stock status check, click on in stock, or show. If you want to show out of stock, then you can show the out of stock. So I can show the product stock at 100 piece, then click on shipping. Product weight, here have no shipping. Shipping is available customer. This shipping policy is depend on your business policy. Say one labras dimension, not. You can click on shipping class. I can guide you how can you add shipping class and calculate your shipping cost. Link product, if you want to sell another product related to this, you can add this product here. Attribute, if your product has a lot of attribute, you can add this color, size and ingredients. You can just add product for simple. Advanced is not required. And if we want to show the short description, you can use this short description. Now we can set our brand. Click on brand, denim brand, denim. Product tag t-shirt, product tag is shirt, category is shirt, not uncategorized. Uncheck this. Add product gallery image. Before product image, I can download this product image here. This is not it. I can use a demo image. You can use demo image. Gallery image, product image. Set the product, alter text. Now click on save, publish. This product are already published. Now we can go to WooCommerce tab and set up our WooCommerce settings. Click on settings. address line, say your address is California, Los Angeles, United States. Postcode, say something. Selling location only. Space, if you want to sell your only specific country or all countries, you can select this. So United States, United States, shipping specific countries, same United States. If you enable text, click on text button. Then show a currency USDT dollar, and currency show is left side. Our general settings is done, and click on products tab. Our products shop place is the shop. Placeholder image, this is add easy, this is not change this, and click on inventory. If you want manage stock, you can check this enable stock management, and if you which email you want your order notification, you can see this your email. Then you can, if your product is downloadable, and set up this option. Our product is physical, so I cannot go this, and click on shipping. You can click on shipping zone, add shipping zone, zone name, say Cali or inside California. Add shipping method, free shipping, not free shipping. I can set the flat rate. Taxable, if you want taxable. Shipping cost is 8.50 USD. Taxable, create and save, and click on shipping settings. This enable this shipping calculator on the cart page. Hide shipping cost until address is entered. Default to customer shipping address, enable. And now you can click on payments. There are a lot of payment option. If you want PayPal, Visa card, Mastercard, multi-currency card, and WordPress, WooCommerce official, you can. This is the most valuable and important. Click on installing. This is the WooCommerce official payment method. Click on continue. Connect to WordPress. Log into your WordPress website. Connect our account. Wait just a second. Start accepting payments. You can set your section clothing and accessories, continue. And this way you can complete your setup and use your business information and verify your business info and complete your setup. Or if you want cash on delivery as COD delivery, you can enable this cash on delivery method, or direct bank transfer or check payment. You can use this. These are the payment option. Now you can account and privacy, these are as it is. And you can go email settings, these are the option. Here you can use your email template and edit any template for your new order, cancel order, failed order, and complete order, customer and admin related. In this is not required for this. You can it is the very much important. Click on live and save changes. Now your website is live. Point of sale, this is not required for now. You can multi-currency and click on advanced tab. If you want use REST API, click on REST API and add key and click on create a API key and use your API key to third-party application, and click on webhooks, create a new webhook, legacy API here. So this is the WooCommerce setting. There have another options here. If you want payment, there have analytics. In this analytics, your store performance chart, your order sales, show overview here. And if you want marketing, click on marketing. You can use Facebook conversion, Metapixel, and Google Analytics and Google Ads. And also you also set a coupon codes for giving customer offer. So if it in this video is very I hope this video is very helpful for you and for your store. If you any query, please comment your query. I can help you as soon as possible. Thank you very much.